just returned it because they didn't like it. Dual injected safety glass does have a USB Type C. Here's a drill attachment. Another attachment. If you guys didn't. Now we got the best deals at the lowest. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hit the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Let's go ahead and get started. Some clearance. This is a Honda generator. It was a $19.99. It's down to $17.99. They did a tune-up on it, and it's sold as it is. So that means they just returned it because they didn't like it, or they just used it once, or whatever. So tune-up was made on this, and here's the specs on it. You got the choke, the features on it, the AC out, circuit protector, and everything. So, alright, on clearance, you got the weather station. This is $43 down from $53. There's more. I'm not going to show you guys all of them. There's a whole wall of them. Here's another one. Oscillating blades, some power cleaner, pads, and there's just different little things on this clearance section. I'm not going to go over everything, but you got the specs here, 12 cents. Alright, on for sale, they got these Craftsman mowers. Right on mowers is $19.99. 11 horsepower, 11.5 horsepower, 36-inch width. So pretty nice, really basic, but you know, actually luxury for us that don't have the money for something like this. But I personally just use a push mower on my yard. I got a half an acre. All right, here's the engine or the motor. And then check this one out. If you don't want to get up in a riding lawnmower, you can walk behind this huge 30-inch. This is a massive mower. It is $15.99, so not too far off from the riding, or yeah. So might want to consider the riding up, you know, if you're gonna get into this price range. But then again, you can probably just get into smaller places with that. You got the Toro. They do sell a Toro now at the Lowe's. All right, here's a drill attachment. If you guys look closely, it does have a drill on the back. So this is a paint gun with the drill attachment. So you are able to put your favorite type of drill on the back, and $189. Yes, not the cheapest. For that price, you might as well just get a Harbor Freight one, right? All right. So you got the 12-gallon wind dry vacuum, and then you got this pneumatic framing nailer. That's it right there. It's on sale. This one's on clearance for $263 down from $467. Quiet Tech compressor. Another clearance item at the Craftsman. This one's $169 down from $199. It's a 1-tool combo kit, 6-gallon. All right, buy one get one free. You buy any of the tools in the, you buy the starter kit, you get it with free tool. There's a lot of good tools. These are all brushless, so definitely recommend these. We've seen these throughout the past few weeks, so you know this is pretty much just a quick glance. That is the starter kit that you have to buy. And then this one's on clearance. It is a battery 2-pack for $99. Obviously, it's not worth it because the bottom one does include a free tool. You got a 7-tool combo kit, guys, for $5.99 from $7.99. Check this out. This one's pretty good. You got the drill driver, impact driver, cutoff tool, sander, oscillating tool, circular saw, and reciprocating saw. But not it. That's not it. You do get a rolling case with that. It's like a suitcase style. It is a soft case. It does have wheels on it, so I'm not able to show you that, but it's pretty much a black suitcase. That's what it is. All right, so you got the buy one get one free. You buy the starter, or you get a free starter kit when you buy a bird tool. These are great deals. Again, these have been there for a while. This is pretty much recycled over the, the Labor Day. Same thing with this one. This one's get a free battery with the purchase of a tool. And for now, these are actually pretty good deals. But if you wait for the holiday deals, they do start around October, maybe late October. So maybe next month we'll have some new ones for you. But before that, we do have these. This is it's actually newer. This is a rapid load hole saw kits, or the hole saws, depending on if you're gonna be choosing this brand. But yeah, if you're changing different sizes at the job site, this is one's a plus. This one's a really good one for you because it is a bladeless 2 change and $24.98. So these are all compatible with this. All the hole saws, and I believe the DeWalt does have a kit that they sell all these sizes. I just didn't see it here. All right, here's another attachment. If you guys didn't know this thing existed, well, yeah, it is the shears. It is impact ready, so impact driver or drill driver ready, hammer drill, whatever you have. And these are all the materials that will cut. You got wire, you got sheet metal, all sorts of stuff. All right, you got the savings, pro savings days for the Bosch. You got $99 each. Angle grinder, reciprocating saw. So all those are all $99. Those are actually pretty good tools. All right, talking about the Flex on clearance still for $89.27, but I'm going to show you guys something that this thing does. It does have a USB Type-C. So you can use this fan as a power bank, a power station, whatever you want to call it for your cell phone. All right, another one on clearance. This one's a Craftsman compressor, but check this out. Replace the burnt pump. Guys, let us know that in the comment section. If you guys know, if you guys have that compressor or that style, let us know if that Craftsman it actually burns up, because we want to know if those things are good or not. All right, so they still have these deals are pretty good. They do come with the newer, or you can say brand new 8 amp hour battery. That is a gray one. It says it's supposed to have more output than the regular 8. And all right, these are oscillating blades. And then you got the flat pack on the side of it. You got the high visibility vest, $9.98 from the DeWalt. Pretty nice, pretty basic. It is what it is, and it works. All right, so these are pretty nice actually. Dual injected safety glasses. So dual injected rubber seal. This is built-in ventilation, hard head strap, clip attachment, neoprene head strap, and replaceable lens. So all the features, these are actually pretty nice. I like them. All right, so $19.98, 21 piece, black and gold. So these are all $19.99. That is a black and gold, pretty much the same. And then you got the 55 piece, which is, it does include a Tic Tac case with a bunch of 1-inch bits. And then you got the 2-inch bits there at the bottom, nut drivers, and a bit holder. $9.98 for the 50 pack of resealable of earplugs. So you can reseal this pack, and then just made in the USA, global materials. $24.98 with the metal or reciprocating saw blade set. Now this one includes wood, metal, and some longer pruning, and finally you get demolition blade and a nice case. $64.98 for the reciprocating saw, or the miter saw blades. Yeah, 10-inch and 12-inch. Finer cuts, 62. $9.98 for the Klein Tools dip gloves. And there they are. Large. It says the size there on the corner. A1 rated. And that's what they look like, the texture. Alright, this thing is actually flipped over. So this is $14.98 for that. For the tape measure. And this are $19.98 for the 22-piece long bar hex key set for the Klein Tools. It does have SAE and metric. And that does convert to a handle, so everything converts there. It's pretty nice. As long as you keep it together, it'll last you a long time. $39.98 for the heavy-duty knee pads. Now these, I actually touched them, and they're really, really nice. I don't know if you would like to wear something like this, but you could probably even wear these if you wanted to hide them. You can wear them under your pants if you got loose pants. But you can just wear them on top, but they're really comfortable. And you got some zipper bags, so you can store your makeup. Just kidding. Your hand tools and screwdrivers and all that stuff. Contact voltage tester from the Klein Tools. $49.98 for the 2-piece linesman's pliers, and $39.98 for the screwdrivers. So 6-piece insulated screwdriver set. This one's really nice. And then you got the linesman's pliers, diagonal cutters, 2-piece kit. All right, $19.98 for the 22-piece. That's the bar joints. These are actually $14.98. As I said, they were flipped. Really nice tape measure. It is labeled on both sides, white on the back, yellow on the top. All right, these are on clearance. They got the extra large, the digital file, and then you got the larger one, double XL large, 403. These are on clearance. All right, for the Pro Savings Days, you got $379. This is a 4-tool combo kit. It is a brushless, so but check this out. It's actually pretty nice because it does include a whole bunch of brushless tools, reciprocating saw, a light impact driver, drill driver, and it looks like a big battery there, and a power stack. So pretty nice kit. All right, talking about some great deals, clearance for the power inverter if you're on the 40 volts from the Cobalt, and the LED light, $24.98. That's a really good deal on those. All right, that's it for today. Yes, short video. Actually, not too short, but you guys have a great weekend. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell.